If you clicked on this video, then this is your sign. We've all been itching for a new Paper Mario game, and not the sticker star variety. Well, I have heard your call, and I have started work on my dream game, a Paper Mario inspired RPG. Greetings everyone, my name is Sam and I am a software developer. I've been using Unity to create games ever since I was 14 or 15, and made a few game jam projects here and there. However, I never once have put what I've learned to the test, and I am looking to change that. In this video series, I am going to be creating one of my dream game ideas. An RPG where you play as a cute penguin who's abducted by aliens and learns how to fly a spaceship. I am going to be taking heavy inspiration from Paper Mario and some of my favourite RPGs, and hopefully it'll all be worth it. If you want to see this idea come to fruition, make sure to give this video a like and hit the subscribe notification to track my progress. The basic gameplay loop of this game will include a battle system, basic dialogue system, and a bunch of levels where new game mechanics and unique places and stories are explored. Now this devlog was a bit of a late idea, and I've already built a lot of the game that I need to catch everyone up on. The first thing I did was create a PSV file in Photoshop of our main protagonist, and using Unity's inbuilt 2D rigging, I created a basic skeleton and some simple animations, such as running, jumping, and accounting for the different directions. The next part was to create the character controller, and for this I took a unique approach. I've decided to create my own collision system using raycasts and coordinate positions. A raycast is shot off from the left and the right of the character, and if a wall is spotted, then I send back a struct for the player controller to limit the movement. Alongside this, I have hacked together a temporary system for detecting when the player is on the x-axis, and limits if you go too far in either direction to avoid falling off the platform or any potential camera issues. I would like this system to be more dynamic, and I'll probably implement a raycast to do this in the nearby future, but this will do for now. I've also created a camera which follows the player at an offset, and this offset changes depending on which way the player is facing. This is to give an overhead for any simple platforming that may arise. As for handling any jittering, the jumps are created using Unity's inbuilt add force method from the rigid body component, and such must be followed in a fixed update method. Meanwhile, manual transforms are just tracked in the late update method. Just a small little tip for Unity developers who don't know this already. Apart from that, I've created some simple post-processing bloom effects, also some basic Pro Builder models and Unity terrain. A shout out goes to Iron Warrior for providing this amazing Toon Water shader, and the link for that will be in the description. The terrain at the back was made by complete accident. I started to model some mountains and accidentally changed the whole terrain to a solid colour, and realised that I actually preferred the way that it looked. I will probably end up transforming this into a static 2D image at one point, but it works for now. And that's about it. This is only the result of a few days, and eventually I want to start work on a battle system, which will probably come in the next video. As always, thank you for watching, and I'd really appreciate any comments for future ideas, or things that you would want to see in the game implemented in the future. And to keep up to date with new logs, make sure to subscribe, turn on the bell, and give the video a like. Thank you all for watching this first episode, and I'm very excited to continue work on the project. I hope to release an itch.io demo when I am a little further into development as a way to receive feedback, so make sure to keep a lookout. And that's it from me, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!